Hey guys, it's Brian, and welcome back to another Firebird Friday. So, last week you saw that we were able to drive the 67 Firebird for the first time in 25 years. So, I thought we should wash the Firebird, possibly for the first time in 25 years, and see if we can't take off years and years worth of dirt and grime. So, let's fire up the pressure washer and let's get in there and take care of this. Now, a lot of guys in their washing videos get a little bit more detailed and a little bit closer. I just didn't feel comfortable doing that, so I kind of pulled away. But check this video out. I'm going to stop it a few times and show you the before and after differences. Let's go. Holy shit, guys. See the difference here? This is a still photo, but at least you can kind of see the difference between the clean side and the dirty side. That's what we've been dealing with, trying to clean up off this 67 Firebird. So let's get back to it. Let's finish washing up. And if you're enjoying the content with this Firebird, do me a huge favor. Would you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button so you can follow along as we rebuild this 67 Pontiac Firebird. All right, back to the wash. Oh man, guys, check out the difference here from one side to the other. That's 25 years of dirt and grime gone, washed away on our Firebird. Man, I'm getting really excited about getting this bird back on the road. Let's finish up this Firebird and see how pretty she is. Well guys, here's our final product. The Firebird is all washed up and ready to go. She's looking beautiful, I must admit, and I'm looking forward to getting the bumper back on, fixing all the little things we need to get on, probably pulling that motor and that transmission and taking a look at that, and of course welding on that new top. Alright guys, thank you so much. We'll catch you next Friday.